Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So, guys, good afternoon. Uh, it is 9:45, 24th today. So, I made this video because I've created this website. So, it's looking good now. I've created most of my stuff with ChatGPT. So, this graphic is with ChatGPT, and this one, this is the background image. This is in ChatGPT. So this is the recent most image I have created, and this is also in ChatGPT. So guys, it's ranking now, and I wanted to share. I have also run WhatsApp ads. This is the WhatsApp ad. This is the Facebook ad, and I've got 6 calls right yesterday, and 5 messages on WhatsApp and 3 messages from Facebook ads. So this is my Upwork. Upwork I've made 87,000. But here the clients are totally unreliable, non-responsive, and most of the client are crap over here. So uh, uh, I wanted to expand and share my website. So my website is Varun Kumar Riat SEOagencyindia.com, and this is the search result for it. I added the rich snippets yesterday, but they won't show up right now. So this is one of my keywords. So it's on second page right now. So Google Maps also I am on 20th 15th rank. So guys, what I wanted to share was that every site which you make should be mobile responsive. So let's see the mobile version of this. I decrease the size of the browser, and you can see this is the mobile version. So over here in the mobile version, I have the graphic over here. This is the background graphic. This is the graphic for the header. This is the background graphic. This is the first h1 tag with the keyword here, and this is button here, and then there's another button here. This is another get in touch button. I click on it, the call it goes to the call. So then we have a form over here in the starting. So call is gone. So then I have a form over here. Form is working. You put the details and click send. Submit. The form goes to the email. So the form has been filled. So this is another image here. Then I have more content here, keywords here, more images here, services section here. This is the services which I provide: search engine optimization, digital marketing, on page and off page. And these are some videos which are something which I have to remove. Then over here there is the SEO plans. So everything is mobile responsive. This is 250. Then this is professional 350, and then the one for 500. So guys, this also has a form, and then the footer. But I put one image: UMAS, about us, portfolio, home, FAQ, sitemap, and cookies policy. So this what the video is, guys. I wanted to share about this, and I've got client from WhatsApp. Again, the ad is running, so the ad will run soon. So these are the clients on WhatsApp. So guys, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Varun Kumar Riat, SEO interview guy, and you can this is the client. This is the client. It is the ads. This is the WhatsApp which latest here, but here is the ad over here in this one. see it. So guys, you subscribe and I will keep letting you know. I'm just launching my agency and profile, being popular on the internet. I have made 9,000 on Upwork, but off Upwork also I have some experience. So that's why I wanted to create the video. We'll upload the video soon, and please like and subscribe my channel. This is about 19 clients I've worked. This will be the 19th client, but the payment is a bit unreliable, or I say what you say, deduction. Deduction is also there, a bit unreliable. So yes, thanks for watching, and this is my channel. Please subscribe. I have two channels, SEO and review guy, and wandering with Varun Kumar Riat. So this is my other channel. It has 73 subscribers, but now it will increase because the video and all the quality is good. So this is the banner which I've made with ChatGPT, and see, it's fitting perfectly over here. Guys, subscribe and
Thank you.